looking for accommodation for the over 65s that is easy to look and leave, but also to live in and feel safe in, then I would say Manaton Court is a place for you to have a look at. We have, luckily enough, got this 2-bedroom property to sell on the top floor. So you've got some nice views. You can even see the castle through the trees. There are communal gardens here as well. There is parking. It is a first come, first served basis. And the flat that I'm in here today is a 2-bed. There's a small kitchen, easy to use, with lots of appliances here, so nothing really necessarily needs to be added to the kitchen. And you've got a lovely balcony where you can enjoy the fresh air and enjoy that view. If you'd like to find out more, then do give the office a call and watch the video, 01566 776 211, and have a look inside. In the light and airy entrance hall, there is a communal entrance at the very bottom floor where you can let your guests in. There is also a fob that lets them in as well, but the unit there is helps you let them in, and also it's for safety, as these properties are for the over 60s. You've got a lovely big cupboard there in the hall. I'm going to take you into the living room, which is very good size as well. This particular property is lucky enough to have a balcony, and that gives you a nice view out across the rooftops to the surrounding countryside and houses. Show you the kitchen. As you can see, it's small but well equipped. There is a fridge, freezer and a fridge tucked away in here, and obviously the electric hob and oven. There's some wall mounted heaters throughout the property, electric. There's no gas at this property. And the service charge includes cleaning the windows, minding the garden, and all the light and power in all the communal areas. So we've just been in the 2nd bedroom. There virtually is the same size as the 1st bedroom, not much in it at all. Bedroom 2 there had a wardrobe, and bedroom 1 has also got the bifold glass mirrored doors as well. Unusually, this flat is lucky enough to have not only a bath, as you can see, nicely tiled rooms, but there's also, thoughtfully done, a shower there in the corner too.